Building a Telegram chatbot is easy now, but keeping it online 24/7 without paying for an expensive cloud server, that is where most developers get stuck. If you close your laptop, your boat dies. If you use standard free trials, your boat goes to sleep after 15 minutes. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to build a powerful Python used Telegram bot and deploy it to a legitimate 24/7 cloud server for completely free. No credit card, no hidden trials, and no server timeouts. Let's get into it. I want to make an AI agent which do research on the trendy topics about AI on my behalf. That AI agent works internally on my Telegram chatbot, in which I tell it to provide on topics like what trendy topics on AI at this week, tell to provide links or give me a summary of on the various topics about AI. Basically, I want to create a Telegram chatbot which will answer all my questions regarding AI. Also, I make it live so that other can also use my Telegram chatbot for research on AI rather than goes to multiple platform one by one or open various links. I want all research is at one place. It researches the platforms like YouTube, Reddit, Twitter, research papers, artificial intelligence news, MIT technology reviews across various platforms. What are the tools required to make it? I want the OpenRouter AI helps to perform various functions like summarization for one day, a week or a month, etc. Provide links or other minor functions. I want Cloud Code to make that AI agent chatbot only, and then all the things are done by the other tools. Tell me step by step process how to build that chatbot. Open the new terminal and copied the prompt that I pasted earlier, wrote Cloud and run it. Now paste the prompt and run it. Let's see what Cloud Code will tell and what are the tools and APIs keys which is required to make that chatbot. Now one more thing, I use Cloud Code for free in my VS Code editor. If you want me how I do that, then tell me in the comment section. I will make a separate video on that. Now Cloud asks which language should the bot built in. I personally recommended Python because Python is the widely used language to make chatbots like that, because it's easy to read and Python have a very vast varieties of libraries to support my project, Now Cloud provide a brief summary of the tool and the cost and the purpose which is required to make my chatbot. First is bot framework that I tell earlier. Second one is bot token. To generate it, we need bot father on Telegram. Third one is LLM, which is like a brain of my Telegram research chatbot. To make this, I need a tool, OpenRouter API keys, which is pay as well as free model available. Next one is YouTube. For generating YouTube links, we need a tool, YouTube Data API, which is again free to use. Next one is Reddit. We need Reddit API for that. Now, research paper, tech news and hacker news are completely free and does not require any API keys to perform these functions. Now here's the problem, because Twitter does not provide any free trials. Its official API cost around $200 per month. For that, I escape it from my project. Now the other purposes like that, web, database, schedule digest, hosting, and their tools which is required to make, and their cost which is free. Delete Twitter and Reddit from here because its API is not free. Now again copied the prompt and paste it into. Now it's asked me, want me to start? If yes, one thing to confirm, Python is the best fit for this. Shall I go with that? Yes, continue and go with Python. Now my Cloud Code is thinking how to build that chatbot, and it's complete. Now Cloud Code set up 5 points. First, set up project structure. Second one, build database. Third one, build OpenRouter agent with tool calling. Build Telegram bot. Install dep. Verify bot start and write readme files. One by one, Claude complete that points, and after that, my Telegram chatbot for research AI is complete. Now it's complete all the coding and create important files like agent int.py, bot.py, configure.py, db.py and fetcher.py, and it also create readme.md files. But to fully operate my chatbot, I need several important keys or token. The first one is a Telegram bot token. Second one, OpenRouter key. And to store this key, I need an important .env file. But the Claude is not made yet. So I write where I paste my API keys. Now my Claude code is create.env file. The next step is to create one by one API keys and paste it here. Now open Telegram, search bot father here, click on start button, click on new bot, and here it's ask me my bot name. I type research AI. Now it's ask me its username, so I write research AI @2005. Must end with bot, so I again write research AI bot. Its username is already taken, so I again write research AI @2005 bot. Now copy the token here and save it to notepad. Search OpenRouter into your desktop, click OpenRouter and click Get API, create new API key, name it Research AI and done. Here is your API key, copy it and save it properly to your notepad. Open your desktop and write Google Cloud Console. Click on Google Cloud Platform link and then go to APIs and services. Click on library and search YouTube API. Click on first YouTube Data API v3. Enable it. Go to the credential and create credential. Now click on API key and name it Research AI. Now select BigQuery API. Now click on create and copy the API and paste it into your notepad. Now open VS Code and paste API keys one by one in .env. Now write admin username, although it is optional, but I write it 11 22 33 44 and 5 and tell Google Cloud all done. Now Google Cloud check the API keys and create a working model for us. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like that. All the links and resources are mentioned in this video are linked in the description. Now all working. Telegram bot is working now. OpenRouter is also working, but one error is found here. It said YouTube key is found, but Google is blocking it. Let's see how I tackle it. But first, I try my Research AI chatbot. Let's see how it's work. Click on start. It's provide commands like trendy, daily, weekly, monthly or papers. Ask summarize the AI market news of 1 week. Now it's generate the summary with real links, working links. Now tell how to make AI agent. It provide a complete research paper on it, but unfortunately it could not provide the YouTube video or YouTube video links for us. Links are working well. Click on Google Cloud Console through Claude code. Now hover on API and services and click credential. Here click research AI that I made before and click on YouTube data API v3. Select it and click OK. Don't forget to save it. Click on save button. Now all set. Tell the cloud, now I fix the YouTube API error. See. Now open Research AI chatbot again and type how to make AI agent. Here now it give YouTube video links. Let's see. Click on first link. It open the video which is working. Let's see the second link. This video is also working, but here's the mistake. The video is based on recent format, not on the most viewed format. So it need to be fixed. Let's ask this about the Research AI. provide most viewed YouTube video on that topic. The chatbot tell what specific AI topic you are interested in for YouTube video search. The chatbot is only response about AI topics and not provide us the basic common questions answers. So it also need to be fixed. Take the screenshot and drop it in Cloud Code and tell why my bot doesn't answer on own way. Look, I ask simple question but it said that. Now Cloud Code fix the bug and tell us to ask provide a YouTube video on how to build WhatsApp agent again. Let's do it. Open Telegram chatbot and tell how to build WhatsApp agent for booking. Open one of the link. See 1.2 million views. Hence my chatbot is work fine. Now the next step is how to deploy my chatbot so that other can use it too. For this purpose, I use Wispbyte. It's a free hosting platform but provide only one free trial. With multiple Gmail account, you use multiple trial also. Now open the Wispbyte, click on the Get Started button and logging via Google. Click on Continue. Select Skip if you don't have referral code. Now click on Create Server and here name of your server. Select the free plan. Select the language by which you built your chatbot. I choose Python because I built my chatbot with the help of Python, and at last click on Create Server and done. After that, go to the console window and upload the files in it. Warning, don't upload your secrets, means don't upload your API keys directly into it. After uploading, click on Start Server button and done. Your chatbot is now running 24/7 without any hassle, and other also can use your chatbot for free. You can also check out my new website, Get Instant Invoice, via typing it into Google. It provides free invoice generator to create invoices in seconds. You choose the custom color of your invoices from here. Also select the currency of your country too. Now you can simply, if you type customer's WhatsApp number, you directly send their invoices into their WhatsApp. If you write their Gmail, then you send the invoices directly to their Gmail account. You can also print or download PDF directly from it. You can also use my website in dark mode also. Here's the feature section in which you see the features of my website. Here's the FAQ section in which all your doubts are covered. Here's the about section where you can find my social media links. You can directly contact me into my Gmail via contact page also.